Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the position of a taskbar from bottom to top of the screen in Windows 11 computers. So without more delay, let's begin. So by default in Windows 11 we don't have such option to move the taskbar by dragging with the computer mouse. So in order to change the positions of a taskbar which is right now present in the bottom, so for this what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application name as Explorer Patcher, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see your releases. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now just below the assets you will see here setup.exe. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can see the taskbar has changed. Now just right mouse click on the taskbar, and now you can see here properties. Just click on it. So now here you can see start button style. So just click on this. Just select the Windows 11, and now you can see just below to it is a primary taskbar alignment. Just click on this edge screen edge. Now select this option centered with start button, and now you can see your primary taskbar location on screen. Just click on this. Now select the top, and now just click on this restart file explorer. Now the taskbar has been moved to the top of the screen. Now just click on this taskbar style again and select this Windows 11. Click on restart file explorer. Finally you can see we have restored the default Windows 11 style Windows taskbar, and finally we have changed the positions of a taskbar from bottom to top of the screen. And now if you want to restore it back to the bottom of the screen, then just right mouse click on the taskbar again, click on the properties. Now just click on this primary taskbar location on the screen, set it to bottom, click on restart file explorer. You can see it has moved back or restored back to the bottom of the screen. So by using this application named as Explorer Patcher, you can easily change the position of a taskbar from bottom to top of the screen in Windows 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.